In this video, I will show you how to change profile picture on Threads. It's quick and easy. Let's begin. Tap on the profile icon in the bottom right corner. Next, tap Edit Profile. Now tap the profile icon. You can upload a new profile picture by tapping New Profile Picture, or you can use the Instagram profile picture by tapping Import from Instagram. Let's upload a new picture. Tap New Profile Picture and it will take you to your phone gallery. Choose a picture from your phone gallery and tap on it. Next, tap on the arrow icon in the top right corner. Now you can adjust the picture position and size. Use filter to change its color if you need. Tap Edit if you need further modification. When everything is fine, tap arrow icon in the top right corner. And finally tap Done. Your profile picture is changed. That's it guys. Hope the video helped you. Please help me grow. Like the video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.